This is one of the major mistakes that a lot of businesses and brands or content creators are doing on Instagram. They ask to if they want to register or if they want to get that thing, whether it's a free resource or a product or it's an e-commerce product. No matter, when they ask for call to action, they ask to go to bio or go to this website to register. Is like there is a lot of friction in that. People don't want to go, like they don't have time or they don't want to do a lot of stuff there. So and Instagram too, it doesn't want the users to go to other platforms. So what you do, you have to add a comment thing. If you say, if you want to grab this course or grab this webinar or want to register it, just comment the word guide or just comment the word product, whatever your product is. So when they comment on your post, you will get engagement. Instagrams love engagement. When people are engaging with your reels go up. Okay, so the comments are increasing. If they want that thing, they comment. As the engagement increases, the views will increase, the Instagram algorithm activates and it triggers reach your post to reach a lot of people out there. So after that, then when you set a robot is I use ManyChats. So when you make a whole bot, if they comment the word DM or if they comment the word guide, then your bot will send the DM to them automatically. If they want to register or get more information, they click on the button in the DM and they just boom. So this is how. And you ask them what is your good name and where you want that document or that resource. So then they will share your email. So you can say what is your good email where I can send you the whole path or whole registration guide or whatever it is. So when they send you email, you get their email. And this is like, you get their first name, you get their email. There is nothing more you want to get. So this is way more important thing, and a lot of people, I don't know why they are missing this thing. This is very very important. If you want that I can set your chatbot or many chats or Instagram automation, just reach me out, I will do it for you. And this is my 12th video of making 1,000 videos.